I'm going to show you step by step on how to create your own LinkedIn video playlist.
Hey from the future, it's String. I'm about to throw some epic knowledge bombs and fried chicken at you. Get ready.
So you're creating these amazing LinkedIn videos. So what you do is you publish it. And then what happens is that it goes into the feed over time. It just gets pushed down into your LinkedIn timeline feed. And slowly it gets buried and buried because there's other content that replaces your content. And unless you get the comments or likes, it goes back on top of the feed again. But eventually over time, what happens is that more content pushes your video down the timeline. And that's how your videos and content works on LinkedIn. Bet you didn't know that. But what I'm going to tell you is, and what I'm going to share is how to create a LinkedIn video playlist so that way you could extend your LinkedIn videos and showcase and let your videos live longer. If you don't know me, my name is String and I'm a 3 times top voice on LinkedIn, meaning that out of everyone 650 million professionals on LinkedIn, I'm considered the top 300 creator on that. And I wasn't even active on LinkedIn. One of the reasons why I grew rapidly was that I upload a lot of videos, so I know what works and what doesn't work. And one of the things that I noticed is that my videos disappear after a while, which inspired me to create this hack, this LinkedIn video playlist, allow me to embed my videos and create a video playlist, which is very similar to a YouTube playlist. And one of the things that I like about YouTube is that your videos can be resurfaced, because the way that the YouTube algorithm works, or the YouTube search engine works, is that your old videos can be brought up using and leveraging the search tools of YouTube. Whereas on LinkedIn, it doesn't have that. No, it doesn't have that at all. What happens is that because LinkedIn is more of a timeline, like a feed, a timeline where you have to play the scroll game on your mobile or on your desktop, right? Unless it goes back onto the algorithm again and it gets triggered by the algorithm. Your comments, people's comments, likes, reactions, engagement, a share actually helps your video go back onto the timeline again, on top of it as well. But what happens if you don't get those likes and engagements? Eventually what happens is your video disappears. Yes, hear the silence? It just disappears out of existence, which is kind of crazy, because when you create these videos, you put all your energy, your emotions, your thoughts, your thinking. A lot of the energy just go into video, right? So there's like a few ways of doing it. 1, you can upload them again. 2, you could go onto YouTube and archive it. 3, or you can use my LinkedIn video playlist hack. This LinkedIn video playlist allows you to embed your video. On YouTube, you have all these awesome playlists where you could curate the best videos, or you curate based on themes. The same idea, where you could pretty much embed your LinkedIn videos or your YouTube videos and create an amazing video playlist. And I created one myself, so that's why it's a hack. I realize it's not something that people do or think about, but because I'm a marketer, because I do things that if there's nothing that doesn't exist, I just do things. Here's an example of how I created a LinkedIn video playlist using LinkedIn articles. I actually embedded a YouTube video, but in this video, I'm going to show you how you could embed a LinkedIn video into the LinkedIn article. What we're going to do is go into your LinkedIn feed, and I like the feed because it reminds me of the 2-piece feed from KFC, and click on write an article. So how does the article relate to your LinkedIn video playlist? This is actually where you go create your LinkedIn video playlist. LinkedIn doesn't have a formalized way of creating a video playlist, but what this hack allows us to do is create a video playlist ourselves. You could embed a LinkedIn video, a YouTube video, but this is one way of allowing you to extend the longevity and the lifespan of your LinkedIn videos. And then when you're ready, navigate to your feed and find that video that you want to embed. So you keep on scrolling down, scrolling down, scrolling down, and this is the video that I want to embed. This is the video I did with Lenovo. So click on that 3 little dots over there. Another cool feature that I'll go through in another video is that you could actually have features and buttons on your profile, but I'm distracting you. So go and click on to embed this post. Click, see that code? Technically you could embed this into your blog post, but I just want the video itself. So I go exclude, not include. Untick this box. Copy the code, make sure this is highlighted. Copy the code. So the embed code is copied to a clipboard. Then head over back into my article. See that little square box with a plus sign? Click onto that and embed the video. Click on the video. Scroll down, see that little paste the video link? This is where you embed your video code here. Control V or Command V depending what computer you're on, and press enter. And voila, you have the video that you could embed into the post as well. So repeat this process again. Make sure that you have a title as well to give them more context and more flavors. In this video playlist, repeat the process, find another video, find the code, put the code into the space on that little space, and process and repeat. And embed as many videos that you like into this video playlist. And I think it's really important that you give it some titles, a fancy title, and don't forget to hit the publish button as well. Creating a video playlist doesn't end there as well. You have to promote it and let people know that this video playlist exists. What kind of video playlist do you want to create? Is it all your branded content? Is it all your tips? Think about it. What kind of video playlist would you like to create and promote on your LinkedIn profile? And if you enjoyed this video and want to learn more how to market yourself better, whether being using LinkedIn or videos itself, hit the subscribe button and get notified for future videos. My name is String and I'm a curious geek of the future. And if you happen to want to watch more videos on LinkedIn marketing, watch this, and watch this. Especially the 7 V's. 7 V's gives you the framework on how to build your brand online.